Hello Year 8 and welcome to your Pathways Assembly for French GCSE. You all know me as Mrs. Angel. How can GCSE French help you in life? What are the reasons to study a language? First of all, making connections. Being able to communicate with someone in his or her language is an incredible gift. Confidence. Putting yourself out there and moving out of your comfort zone. Boosting your confidence and generating an amazing sense of accomplishment when connecting with someone in their native language. Languages can help you with your CV for career advances. And make you stand out from the crowd when you're applying for jobs for your employment. Language learning boosts your memory and your logical faculties, which are directly linked to your problem-solving skills. The language center of your brain is so flexible. Learning a second language could help develop new areas of your mind and strengthen your brain's natural ability to focus. Languages is a vital part of human connection, meaning you can befriend people from different cultures and expand your friendship circle. It also helps you to appreciate the traditions, religions, arts, and history of other cultures, encouraging greater bonds of empathy and acceptance of others. Here at school, we learn one foreign language, but that individual language isn't what will help you throughout your life, in work and travel. It is more about learning how, the big how, to communicate with others who don't speak your language. Just having a look at the screen now, we can see what jobs and where languages will take you. As I've already said, there are so many opportunities in life for someone who has learnt a language. You could work abroad, you could be an interpreter, a diplomat, a journalist. You could work in marketing and sales, clinching the deal because you understood what the problem was. What does it look like? What does a successful languages student look like? So just these building blocks that I have in front of us. It is hard work. It does require perseverance, learning off by heart and dedication. Success is not automatic. When we make mistakes, we learn from them and look for ways to improve. We are independent. We seek out new and unknown words. We are curious. We work together. And we should be proud of what we have accomplished. We are dedicated and we practice little every day, focusing a lot on vocabulary. So, what does learning a language at GCSE look like? Well, it is similar to what you have studied at Key Stage 3. So if you look on here, you will see the puzzle pieces and how they slot together for what you have learnt in Year 7 and in Year 8, and then carrying on into 9, 10 and 11. We learn to listen to people speak and reply in the language. We read texts and write our own. Our two key pillars of learning are building your vocabulary, so using the memorise, using the sentence builders that we already use in Year 7 and Year 8, and to put those words into a sentence. At the end of Year 11, you do have an exam in the following skills: listening, reading, writing, and speaking across a familiar range of topics, including free time, technology, where you live, holidays, and school life. Just looking at the GCSE qualification at a simple glance, we will look at this a little bit in more detail in the taster lessons. So first of all, you do have the speaking here. As the speaking exam, like I said, you do have the listening exam, and each, you will notice each on here is worth the same percentage, 25%. You then have the reading and the writing. So those are our 4 skills that we look at the GCSE. The topics do expand, like I've already said, on from Key Stage 3, so Year 7 and Year 8. We do focus on dictation and translation from both the native language into English and from English into the native language. Our taster sessions will start in March, and if there are any questions after those taster sessions, please do come and speak to me if you have any questions, and I will happily give you any more answers, and we can have a look at it further if you so desire. Thank you very much, Year 8.